Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making one of the most iconic sweets of South India, Mysore Pak. Did you know this sweet was first created in the royal kitchens of Mysore Palace? Soft, golden and rich with ghee. It simply melts in your mouth. And the best part, you can make it at home with just 4 ingredients. Let's begin this royal journey. Sieve 1 cup of besan, also called gram flour or chickpea flour. This makes the flour light and removes lumps. Now add half a cup of the ghee oil mixture and mix it in until smooth. Keep this aside while we prepare the sugar syrup. Heat the remaining ghee oil mix until hot and keep it aside. We will use it later. In a pan, add sugar and water. Boil until you get one string consistency. This step decides the texture of Mysore Pak. Now reduce the heat to low. Slowly add the besan mixture into the syrup while stirring continuously. Keep stirring. This prevents lumps and helps the flour cook evenly. Now pour the hot ghee and oil mixture little by little into the pan, stirring as you go. The besan will soak up the ghee and start turning glossy. Repeat this 2 to 3 times until all the ghee is absorbed. You will notice the mixture getting lighter and fluffier. Keep the stirring on low heat. Slowly the mixture will start leaving the sides of the pan and you will see oil separating at the edges. This is the perfect sign that it's ready. If it overcooks, the Mysore Pak will turn hard. Transfer immediately to a greased tray. Cut after 5 minutes and let it set for 30 minutes. Separate the pieces and serve soft golden Mysore Pak. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and subscribe for more easy and traditional dishes. See you next time.